this weather. I mean, like today in the morning it was sun and like wind, but now it's rain again. It's like never ending. Hello everyone. Long time no see. How are you? So in general, I filmed this video just to finish my YouTube. So I want to tell you that Paris was really messy. Like April, I expect to be more sunny, but it was like raining non-stop, and like it was plus 13 degrees, plus 10 degrees. I was so cold, like it was, I don't know, November. This is what I expected for the April. From a good things. And I also visited a super delicious Korean restaurant, which my friend introduced to me. I don't know, but I think it was the best bibimbap in Paris, which I tried. And their, I don't know how to call it, like barbecue, that was really delicious. I mean, I try a lot in Paris, and with this one is like really the best for me. I was invited by a Korean brand called Danayad because they launched their pop-up store for 1 month in Marais. And I will show you a little bit more how it looks inside of the shop. They have really a lot of nice pieces, and everything is fully made in Korea. So now I will look at myself. And we had like a party there with another of the bloggers. I met the CEO. That was really nice, and I was so happy for being there. Thank you so much, Danayad, for inviting me. I was at a Korean fashion show with my friends, all behind, and now we're going to the Korean. Today I was invited by a Korean brand which will open today. So they have like a party. So they invited me. I did a collab with them before, and the brand is called Danayad. So I don't know what will be there, but I'm curious to see, and I take you with me to show.
I'm still chasing you 'cause I know this is not enough. If you can be next to me, we'll feel like we're just meant to be. I need you for life. If I don't make it tonight, then luckily there's always tomorrow in my formula. 오늘은 공을 찾을게. Formula. 너만이 그게 가능해. Formula. Oh, it's only for you. If you don't fit in there, I guess nobody will. It's evening time. I think we're getting there midway. I'm all in it right now. Me 없어, don't matter many times, yeah. It's orange outside, and I feel it right now, yeah. But you've been looking so lost. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. I was just pulling out that alchemy, and just like that be a finale. But I miss one thing, and you know it's gotta be you. 오면 돼 그냥 빨리. And I'ma go keep looking for you till dawn. 'Cause I guess my plan or whatever is all about you, my baby. It's not enough if you can be next to me. We'll feel like we're just meant to be. I need you for life. If I don't make it tonight, then luckily there's always tomorrow in my formula. 오늘은 공을 찾을게. Formula. 너만이 그게 가능해. Formula. Oh, it's only find you. Let me look for you, my love. Let me find you, my love, my baby.
Also, my Ukrainian friend, she told me that the Rose will again make their tour and they will have a concert in Paris. I've been the first time on their first worldwide tour in 2019, a long time ago in Amsterdam. That time it was my first kind of K-pop Korean band. So I was really happy to come there again.
For anyone that needs to apologize.
So guys, hello, welcome to a new day. I'm now located in the Tuileries garden and I find a really good spot where I did the unboxing video both for Instagram and for the YouTube. So look how lucky am I to find this amazing background and just to sit there. You will see the video, but it was really good that nobody like literally stare on me and don't pay attention, and I have amazing background with the blooming. And look at this behind the scene mess. Like, yeah, this is the thing. I put like tripod here so kind of people from there cannot really see all the stuff. I try to, maybe I will throw that back. And look at the background I film right now. This is like so beautiful. Yeah, I hope you hear me well, and I want to do some unboxing and show you the stuff which I get from the brand. Thank you so much Andelman for the memory on my phone was finished. I hope you hear me well. Now we fix it, so it's good. So like as you can see, I'm wearing a blazer right now, and the weather is a little bit not really comfortable because with the sun it was a little bit hot. And now it's like, I guess plus 18, but it's gloomy, so I feel like kind of something in between. But I'm lucky enough to find this beautiful spot in the Tuileries garden. Like literally this tree is super close to me, as you can see. And I'm in love with this background after I can have my slow moment to enjoy the spring. So to cut a long story short, we will do really fast unboxing of the brand called Andelman. And to start with, I got kind of same style blazer which I adore, like in French you say j'adore. So like I love it so much. Just check this blazer. Like look how beautiful is this. It's like so nice material, such a beautiful color. It both good for spring and for autumn, I mean for winter too, but this is like basic one with the dresses, with like everything. And just look at this. This is the logo. It's written like Andelman. I actually like it here because at the same time I promote the brand, but it looks really kind of stylish. And some people thought there is my name behind because it starts from A, but no, it's not. So the next piece, it's just a simple basic t-shirt with a logo, of course, again, but what I can say is the material is amazing. It's such a good quality cotton that it's perfect for summer and for the spring. Just look how nice is this. I guess I forget. I will just switch really fast for the blazer so I can continue. But even despite I changed the blazer, it's like a little bit different color, the vibe is still the same, and I really like the quality. Okay, let's do it really fast. The next one is this one, and actually it's a wool, so it's very thin, but at the same time it's warm. I already wore it, so I can guarantee the quality. And I really love it because behind is just simple black, and it's just grained front, so it matches like with a lot of stuff, and it's super basic, and I wear it under this blazer as well. Again, we have a logo here, and I guess the quality is really good. Then the next one, it's my favorite one. I already tried it. It's like this long sleeve. The material is super cool. It's like crazy elastic. Again, we have a logo here, and it looks like a double layered, but it's not. The sleeves are very long, which I like so much. I really love when the sleeves can have this vibe. I feel like really comfortable. My colleagues say I have like King Louis XIV's vibe with all that stuff, but this is like really my favorite. And the last one, I don't know if the brand has a lot of shoes, but I choose the basic white sneakers, and I will unbox it with you to show how it looks like. So here it is, the name of the brand, and we will do like small ASMR. We have like a dust bag here for your shoes, which is super nice because your shoes are white, so that's good. Yeah, small ASMR for you. And here they are. The shoes looks really nice, and they have like logo here and here, and it's written the name of the brand. They're quite high, so I will be much higher than I am. Now I can have my slow moments and just stare on this beautiful tree because blooming is always so fast here. And the memory on my phone like finished several times, which was a little bit super uncomfortable. But after I need to go to do the package and I did the video, and that's how my day off was finished before I had a shooting with a photographer.